this video we are going to learn how to open an account on Zoho CRM platform. So first of all, open any web browser on your computer and then search for Zoho. Now select the first link. Now select this complete CRM platform. And now guys, as you can see right here, you can fill up all of these details and then you can able to create your account. Now you have to put your full name, your email address, create a password and then enter your mobile number. And after clicking on this button, you have to click on this button right here called get started. And now guys, as you can see, you have to enter OTP which is coming on your mobile number. And now guys, after entering your OTP, you have to click on verify button. And now you will come on the home page of the CRM platform. So that's how you guys can able to create an account on Zoho CRM platform. That's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for watching more of these videos in the near future. And thanks for watching.